I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Messenger and entering the conversation containing the message date you need. Once in the chat, make sure you're on the latest version of the app or a supported browser, because features differ. On mobile, look for the In-Chat Options menu. On web, locate the Conversation toolbar. You're ready to begin the search by date. Next, we'll open the search tool and prepare the date format you'll use to find messages quickly. Once done opening the chat menu, select Search in Conversation or the magnifying glass. You'll type the date in a format Messenger recognizes. Try March 5, 2021, Mar 2021, or just 2021 to narrow results. Make sure to include keywords if the date alone returns too many hits. For example, type a person's name or a unique word plus the date. If you don't see results, change formats and try month first versus day first. Messenger parses dates differently across regions. To finish, scan or jump through the search results to land on messages from the date you entered. On web, you can use the Jump to Message feature, and on mobile, you'll scroll to the matched entry. If you don't find the message, widen the search to the month or year or try another date format. If search fails entirely, make sure to update Messenger, restart the app, and clear cache. This fixes indexing problems most of the time. If not, retry after a short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.